In this guide, I'll show you how to remove your credit card details from your Nintendo Switch. So the first thing you want to do is select your main profile in the top left corner. Then you want to scroll down to the bottom where user settings is, and then you want to scroll over to the right and scroll down again until you see Nintendo eShop and select Nintendo eShop settings. Now when you select this is going to open up the eShop and it should only take a few moments. Now, once you're here, if you take a look in the bottom right corner, you'll see credit card information. So I'm going to go down here and you have the option to change it or delete it. So I'm going to select delete. And it says this credit card is currently set up for payment methods for automatic renewal and pre-orders. If you delete the credit card info, it'll no longer be used for automatic renewal or pre-order payments. So if you're okay with that, go ahead and press delete. And once you've done that, you'll be able to add another one, or you can just simply leave it off. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.